More do chain Kamala Harris. I stand to be corrected. What the Hillary Clinton at that time. Now the Kamala Harris is here. In terms of popularity, weight, and everything. But Trump will be Tino.
No, Trump will.
Now, this man, it was so glaring saying, who are they? Kobe consequent. A round over can or a blend, but he's an African American, Jamaican, India. He's an African American. At the end of the day, or India background or Jamaica background, he's seen as a black. Would they vote for a woman, a black woman? That's something you should think about.
Okay.
One day, make sure.
Me know you dream about that.
Mami ni komo branches here. They did komo kitwe aba. Mami kwa omane so. Nana ya me moache.
Yeah.
Now what to say?
The
menene chinkomo ye Reverend Dr. Nana Yaw Suprempe. Na watna America sa. He was appointed the chairperson of Republican Congressional Committee, Business Advisory Council. And he about American politics about Republicans, no money are the Democrats on some onimu. What that Roma 2 days ago, and I say President Biden a step down. Wa endorse Kamala Harris. Osha says Trump, the waiter, what Ghanaian, and they are Americans ready to vote for a woman president in the person of Kamala Harris, our side Democrat, contesting a year Trump. But Roma, abe debate anipa bebre, not forgetting say Ghana. Republican Democrats non so dynamics in elections no ya it be affected yensu there my ntie wa no pay nana ya
yo me da swing ya be na me fan chia kese na Sompa tiefo nyina across the world Sompa dem say my Paul our mantem amudi no atre Nyankopon ase yo o describe Kamala no you feel say what the bekan was say or a black woman.
My dick can't come once a while.
Apart from the fact, say, or a female, or Democrat, she's the first black female to even ascend that White House as a vice president, as I say, no, inshallah, Nyankoponya Duma, or then make history, Nankaman for any nasokra. Now, question is said, the white thing says, are Americans ready to vote for her? Yeah, now, couple, 8 million, and non dear, a bruni public graduation. Yeah, can you punk one dear? And I can't make a phone, punk one dear. Sonia, Donald Trump, agrees to say when it's now, or did not come over the artist. Sir, or Timmy, a peer, white supremacist, and more, near myself say. And so that they think that the white man is supreme to every other humanity. No? A Kamala only place to be our White House in the first place. It's a vice president to but Americans are very discerning and they are very seasoned when it comes to elections. That is why Obama crowd to be the president in the 21st century of American history. And see, everything is possible and everything is possible. We should never count Kamala out because me research who said Biden was very involved in international politics and Kamala was on the home ground doing more of city visitation, going into the states. It's quite to say local government, human and not all yet. And to our building grounds in the delegates, domestic grounds were built while Biden was so much involved in the NATO's and the summits, G summits and all those things. Now Kamala shut ground. We will be blown away by the vast votes. Americans may not be necessarily ready for a black woman president. But when it comes to female presidents, they showed a little character during Hillary Clinton time, you know. Emma Onyaba Kama, but I knew Trump in Russia, Nema, a bit more Chile, and Hillary had a chance because she was one of the vocal first ladies, apart from Michelle Obama. Hillary was one of the vocal first ladies of America, and until now, also, or popular besides Nikunu Blanda now, Onya with Monica Lewinsky. A cost say never be brain. Now, can build a very good name for the Clinton hierarchy. And see us as women being a choice for American president, Hillary Clinton has proved it that it's possible. But Kamala being a black woman makes a different paradigm. I just say now you need the NAACP forum. You need the black activists. Our shop to million for. You need all the Martin Luther King activists to arise and put money. Would you believe me? Abema say, Biden, Sunday, Biden, step out. Only said, the next day, the Democratic National Convention raised $55 million, which was historic. The fact that people are endorsing that decision, say Biden has stepped down, Kamala were endorsing. Oh, it's one thing stepping down, and it's another thing endorsing your vice president to replace you.
As a wonimu GDA. As a GDA wonimu.
Oh, what you are prepared. So, because. And also, Chair said they were a united team because Biden could easily have stepped down. Now, and also Kamala, no jai, North Carolina for you, and he could have just left it idle. Now you're open for all, but step down. Why also Kamala says she's capable to take America to the White House, the Democrats to the White House, and to run the country. So Biden has stepped down for the sake of the country and the sake of his party. And to me, I'm a very excited black female. I'm a very excited Democrat. Just like you said earlier, no, I vote Democrat, but I was recognized and I was appointed by President George Bush, W. Walker Bush. He appointed me into America, no. Partisan politics, no, is not so demeaning and so divided. You Africa, no say, oh, your party A nipa, and now vote to party A. Now will be the other of farmer party B. And I am my position. America is not like that, and that is where Africans must come to. So when we say I will be there, obey to me, they are brought on Ghana. Now, it's not so what me do or corridors be moved. Say, oh, be a mini president where I couldn't come up, and a mini president way, and president where I point to me. And whatever she has or whatever she can do, whatever she knows, we don't care.
Okay.
Or mine, no, wouldn't hammer, or mine, no, wouldn't hammer. And see, I am urging African politicians to arise beyond partisan colors.
Okay.
Let's arise beyond partisan colors. Now you show nipa in their experience, exposure. Now you find true or minor upon.
Nana Yaw Supreme Pemeda, Siano Pen, Reverend Dr. Ade Akye Supreme, I'm just saying, Kobado. And see, the latest poll shows from CNN, it said there's no clear leader. Right after Biden, the initial polls was around 60-something and 30-something. But the other told us is here and 47, 48. Now, Kamala Harris will have to choose either a female, but preferably a male, white, to complement the team. No, Trump choose Bema Vance. What to be a money amount for menye. Now, certain black American ministers of the gospel, and becoming like the Christian community is rooting for Donald Trump because of the gayism and the issues. Mami way so there on the again, not about Ghana. I can say, yeah, my crime, I am here, Tony Adenia Trumuno, or you're fully blooded. People come up for coffee, so yeah, or no, I cry, Abia. It's a the gay community from California, but be a Sicano so wapano. The celebrities no do na so will want to. Yaw. Ade o na okay, what's say easy ma Trump sir. Ba me dey me who say Donald Trump.
No, akoto.
This year,
Ma me ne ka me ne be ma Donald Trump lose elections no. Se nka nenka your friend say kumba ye Trump on. Support Trump.
Producer so
The chief executive producer.
Ah, ba me too.
Abuta ma me ne kami no na ma abana sesa obaka ya Ghana so yenya bi say ya o Nana Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ni atamels na manfo nim say for gone conclusion the man Nana Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo because mills na ahodin ni hono mo adwomama ba mu se 3 months pe no e change narrative no ma adwomama e be win elections no ma NDC view amota okay sa Donald Trump ade we ya ye ka ho asem Rishi Sunak e de mediport e before me pam o ma fi UK me pam o ma fi UK and a Rishi Sunak akwa gina ni su no UK no the same thing as akwa Donald Trump was start away
he is going to do the largest deportation.
Yes akota Asantefonia can force here the all one the chichiri crew omo bi abrofo no zeno nkometima ya akoma mesesa ebibufo no as slaves ni ade afoma nkwanko go America mine no great.
But can you believe Kestama so by or say they are going to see to it said they will reduce the influx of agencies now more fan for more it's almost the same thing.
But one can say deportation say the Rishi Sunak gigina mu say buses and
ready
planes and ready on mesesa e be von no say was it Rwanda or say Uganda or say the all crowd or direct to them say omukrofo ni nyina wose say omo e de akọ politics no ne baby e wiase aba bedu sese no akota no country and a bit must survive
on its own.
Yes, on its own
without immigrants.
So bia obi ni ade yet Ghana member say o Americans or more businesses or Ghana say or more run or more
for you the officer Kamala will change the fortunes of Democrats.
Democrats are then come person
they are all coming.
They are all coming back.
Now Obama is going to go a full-fledged campaign.
This lady ebemo hope obemo new energy ebetimi ede amomo ewini ade na yes gay sami ade da kota ya se ne won say gay ne lesbianism is so huge ya de me can say ade bia religion
any culture
chechire ho bebre o no they believe in say nipa no the open no amanenye. Okay. So they believe in it. Yeah, say me ade chechire ya won say ye nyame so man ye
ma me tie producer
gay sami
right so they won share Trump ah no they wow test
yeah who say na church me
Trump
but me ya machine kakra
we are machine
me machine say America for discerning omaniati om to say we Africans we debate no debate ne cosmo na Biden timi nkasa o Kenya sasem Biden o kanse wasem timi be kasa me Kenya sasem ba ne de mayemre etima muntie me be na maye no ba menya sasem America no
na muntie
ba America for kasa wa ya de but ne mre ye no ntino on chance Saturday me share me call social dem Choshuma Democrat or majority Democrat and was Trump Biden step down one of them see me
and Pelosi sudden no better
no step down
and
Obama ya hade bi omuye debate no omuye push no na Trump was 48%. Now Biden was 47%. Now I know your Fox
Sompa FM.
Fox for say you know. Now Trump was 48. Now Kamala 47. Say you Kamala no. Still a bit close.
CNN so just all the polls show say 48-47.
And I'm America for near Tintino. But they bo America for my home fan check Trump da. Kuna why America say Congress no. America for fan check da.
To who is home and no jombe na so. Say ko say o democracy.
Yes. Mami wo manya no no. Omu say support Trump as mami wo manya no. And you go so di gu wo no. Say America Capitol Hill Parliament. Now kwasiafo bi
akoba ura ho say o mo koye ku.
Ko service de Kenya no. Ti ya me dey misro. And sure mami bet ma we ni aba no.
Yeah.
America for niate.
He's bringing a new.
Omo fa enche. Yo eba me aba. Hell I Kamara ba Ghana no kan say no na state prosecutor California. Was say California me na ma human rights pepepe. Gay sem we gay in town. We are here in town na me pepepe. Very good. Ethiopia no son dey support gay. Trump so Christopher Nyadinachi. Ba America no. Omo niate. Gay nyameso ni gay no ho. E dey ho bi enu say gay nyameso but omo niate.
Omo form democracy ni agro. Don't feel they will punish Trump for that.
Sadino.
Or trial for that very thing.
Mimi feel say obetma wene but sadino kwa yaw. Say American Parliament. What them phobia kosea.
Eh easy.
Eti ma mani nya so aye no.
Oba adwumaye.
So betima.
So our adwumaye ono an black community. Because a lot of the black community, also black community so religion is animal no. Gay sem no nye too much endemic in the black community unlike the whites.
Ba kwenta wesu betu, wesu besesa na ma afiri omanimu. Obefa de hen.
Okay, say blacks no more on there. Omo eye owo residents are what wono ultimate to
one so abusuan bia o ba bi obetwe obi aba
no dey but what I mean so I'm to play say about black American now no be
ade ba ko so a who say Elon Musk wasum busu bi o ma Trump $45 million busu bi o ma Trump ama for Peter Trump achi your boy Kamara no Hollywood for you so apaja.
I said see Hollywood for no fee say because Hollywood for no gay sem ho almost ska and almost believe a lot of them are Democrats.
Very good.
Say afena you said no na na ya kasa o ma raise $55 million.
Yeah, from Enra na the
Enra be pay me na no pay $55 million e dey call campaign.
And I use $45 million every month.
Elon Musk.
Now asema into the man Trump put the man Elon Musk to Twitter no Trump ultra musu na sie na munya ga Trump am no kotoye no di promote Trump eti ya ma no we
to X no
we ya president anya ngwa come
all right as out my video can
me gidi say
me call you all
say American election we no on say omo no bread and butter issue no me gidi say ya na head anyomo gidi say ya comedy omo no the is about international policies business and then the human rights
and the pride of America
and then how
make America great again
omo the no to kwa be say American no sane ma no mo
and then international relations
that's right
like nana ya no kind
foreign policies
no and American foreign policy has all been the same. It doesn't change. Donald Trump by you say na Africans no Obama by name say African phobia is here na e bibini dia say ye say bi obi a trace kwa na the 4 or 5 descendants who's of Kenya here there nya wie but oba no the impact wise power yen as Africans you can hear
no correct
Donald Trump by be succeed no who say Donald Trump one no me for me na me who na me ka say be ka problem with then we see behave na maintenance but obedi man panyi wie no the support now no onya na me yamahye but America for to abeti an man ko one time me kura me nka last America to abanya one time president a papa all these years you say ayi betwa ne 8 years
why you see charge of
Carter
and we say 80s asem 70s America yen say a Clinton between 8 years Bush between 8 years Obama between 8 years and then can trend no follow anti ye truncate and but this around or sambano. Look, meaning an endorsement.
Say Trump the only job I'm a difference.
Only job I'm a difference. My point is they coming back when you're to endorsement for the Republican.
Oh yes.
2
people thought that even because of court issue no grant
outright. Now the meme who say Donald Trump will make inroads on new grounds, especially where the black community now will the gay campaign.
Why is the black community previously they never supported Trump?
They didn't support,
but now they are supporting him.
Say 50 cents support Trump.
Which
50 cents?
It wasn't the case. You know, it say on Democrats all this while. But you know, election on mine November. Any better no American for better now just about 2-3 weeks and Ghana swatu.
The black community no almost supporting Sisiano. Almost Trump came to uphold family values. Democrats apamu nyame free
America.
Omo schools ni ade enti aman kwala no and suban bi ne niam omo dan adie no within the black community and even the whites no. Your baby on my own to me, Jesus schools, you hold my your baby on my you don't even pray.
You
association program being for some year prayers. I say, Oma Pamunya free, Omumu. In God we trust, no, they don't see it. Trump, I no cromonim so on ye papano. Onumum propagate gospel. Oh yeah, in the first place, let me give glory to the Lord Jesus Christ. What Boakye, what boy you see? It's a black community, no ne wanna. Omoya religious fanatics, no so fee say. This man is propagating family values. And only man America be America.
By now, America for give me says a Trump bar indirectly Putin and be really America.
And so because of that election, only Adomu say Vladimir Putin. And at Trump so catch us so no.
Oba.
Say oh man Putin ko Ukraine.
When the Bekasa.
Now what Trump say? Oba Ukraine won't be cha. By Ukraine for you to say Oma lose war.
Now what you lose?
Basa.
What can you say for but
he's that straightforward type.
Hypocrite. Trump
say you a foolish man.
America for better say Putin indirectly Trump no more America now.
No,
not that.
Authority over Russia as a superpower.
Russia.
Now we're talking on the China for TikTok guy. Oh, I'm a TikTok West you America. Oh, Basso Beko. But on Pentokwa. Also, Toka on Penny say, Sebia. That's why I blast it. Believe in Israel, but I blast it. Oba Jew, Oba Jabat.
No. Trump era and 4 years.
Your policy on fire on your policy. And one major. He doesn't care what happens to us.
But American allies, so when you start to say, also so no on fire. These American allies so
only about only Germany
any Africa
now we ally.
But Ghana is an ally of America.
Ally we can never be allies. We go for peanuts.
No.
America has never had interest in us.
No, only they
can get from you.
When you are from
a military base in
and for their interest.
For their interest, not yet.
That's it. When they do it, I didn't grow. What when you start,
they say, American allies are Germany, France, Omoko, Second World War. America Kobwa Womono. and Omo get packed. It's German, France, Britain,
but current administration on the America say any America say one.
Oh yes, Democrats no. Democrats for no cry no ever you be, but Republicans say also Omo ba no money MPP never pa. Not Democrats so ni NDC. Dynamics necessary, you know. So is it also true say be at this time around? If Trump wins, can your mama win? Yeah. Because the narrative changed.
Oh no, it doesn't have any direct.
Elections normally na sana ni enim sese
no American president. You can't crow. And waba minim I stand for correction. Obetra so aye two now also baby o. E be see that. The first time is Trump. Okay. Check for me. Okay. American president I have to the first step. Koi Kata maybe you.
As one of the American presidents Kosa Bayo. One of them, yeah.
Eisenhower na. Very good. Yes. So that Trump might be the second one. But in this modern trend, America, Trump ne Bahama the say. Also call one time. Yeah. We quite there. Just second term ya no saba. Mama there's one bab am here beating our baby. And the almost dynamics no yeah. But only thing say your mama joining Trump the idea far different.
But also when your man for no Russia or
your mama soccer Russia that's
because Russia is becoming
your mama soccer Russia but all right. Babima MC Asebu
the president now oba be na dey ha me wo ho a ni din no se dey ebesi abono no
Kamala Harris
no
anya santimante wa dey be yire no kra ya asem asantimante oba wasema ka Harris
unsa na nke nim se nke bia e be Kamara ono dey nye Kamara
Kamala and Harris
so
Ghana had Asante Hillary Clinton they not what Jim Cratchit Hillary now Hillary as I Clinton and I was to Kamala Harris Abba well do we as Santini how was your banner or be the America
oh there is also
me
said them tell you do baby LN R do baby N R
yeah abed no no yan kan you the hair
and I make I say do baby R no man baby
ya ukon kran ya omuntimi nka H and can it be a H carding typical kind of kano extra hewale almost say extra hewale and can typical can just I'm going home on for H in ma obia already voter for woman there no for woman there
some kind of face
a face H in ma voter for so woman there what was I ye security awo ko busia ayi o security
and here for no
no ni voter even babin cracker security obi on dio by the other so profound until I this no Aaron no the booms are plempe blah yeah yesterday no I'm say we yanko obi a the dance wo ti ya munya samusa santifo no I'm see kasa de yanko
o ma nyankopon enhia na no pai mu dwumadi amudie nyankopon koso na wo hia mo ena no pai so nyankopon aya dom yasa abehia biemu na chese ye hia se ya na ye ba heba hospital ane ye de ho asam ene ho enoma ebrewo amawa wutie na no pai a wo hwe na wahu na afei wo de wani akere ho na afei ayaresa ayefra habamu ayedi se nipa bebre yade no na afei won so anya wo chefa na won sa aka wo de enti abrebia ye transe a eya na ye pese wogi Dr. Ba number ye didi djuma no sade beya abrabomu yade a etiti wo nipa dasani na wo hunu se ewiase anyankopon bo ye ba ye no wode enoma bi hye atwonim se ye ni dua na ba ne emfa aban ensa yade na hunu se ahaban na yɛde sa yɛde ndemre mu no ɛwɔ Dr. Baho misrawo enti nipa bebre na yɛde dokro omo na ka yɛde do mu frase asefo asase su akɔ enso ne wobɛhwɛ no obodin na obo Dr. Badin ama anigye abanimu enkwa abanimu wasaba back abetra nkom eye na dwuma esa Dr. Banti enti se wutie mi na wo hwɛ me a ade wo so eye yade de misrawo enkodidi obi asɛm a wo ka bi achi nkone na mo nkotu sika ne ngu ansa na akyirei waba Dr. Baho misrawo Dr. Batu no ho asi ho se Ghana ye wei de omo obi ma yade ento nipa dasani so da enti hyɛ so na gye number no na afefu ani kyerɛ Dr. Baho na yɛhwɛ ema ho nto Dr. Ba number ye didi dwuma eye 0244 988 004
004
0244
0244
988
004
and it was 0244
0244
08
34
82 0244 08 34 82 where your Dr. Ba your number ye didi juma wa we TV ne so ne de ba ko kan wa nu nyina ye number obetimi afa afre Dr. Ba wo hwe ne a me se ye wokumase atonsu agogo.
That's right.
Atonsu agogo Aban hospital ne nachi wusi na nimo na abusa se wo pe Dr. Ba ye nwuma panti akwala wo pani opanufo mani bi kura betimi aso wonsa do be wura Dr. Ba ho esan ye dwuma pa ye di enti ho ane ye wo afai wodi wani kire enkranso a ye obi was Spinters Road 18 Junction. Spinters Road 18 Junction. Ehon so ubehu Dr. Ba ewo. Yade ya transe ani e kan yade echewa ani e kan udompe no kase o. Efise kroma no ma ha nipa bebre eye dompe ne kase ene ya meba enro achi mefa say Friday no me be share papa bi ewo magazine heye. Na papa no free American eba o so person ko en operation. Na papa no ntiase ose ni kotodwe no ema obibia mu enso ye ne ya na we na meto ade na mazi orom ni mkakra o ya na say Dr. Ba na be no scratch bra ma hwehwe mu ache na bera me nan ema obibia ma mpem hwe enso eye me ya ma mintimi nsole nya me hwe ema America krom pese omkoye me operation enso me na me mpese meye na papa ne nsole keke kra no ema me hwe no ebna papa ne bo no enye adeketwa obusa me na me chen musa papa eya na yade o enye se okotodwe kobo bibim ya wa arthritis yade etimi wura kotodwenum etre ni padua wa aposo baba bi etadi ni dwuma pa ma nipa bebre ho kire no ye nipadua wo kotodwe enti nya se wona ne kobo bibim ana okotodwe kobo bibim ansa na okotodwa be ya ya da bi hye ne nso ya wa yade eba mu etimi na me ka chen sa papa se wantu ana mo ama Dr. Ba ho ame ne wo kasa ya ukotoje be akrebe agogro be de o se ameba me na mo na esu kekra nam se ne no ano enti na no payai ameba ya na ofra me se waduru ya so ye ho a wo baje aduro ame ye de ahaban ato so na wo twe se ne meba no nam de adansidi ebrew enti e bia me papa me ma me bia wutifie obi na afiri broni krom operation hodo ni nura kese a ye de ma no America kra no agyan e de abaga na ahwe Dr. Ba ati ni din ebe pa yaresa enti se wote a ebia wote Central Market wote magazine ha ebia wote so amedwoma ba bia wotie bia race course ebia ba bia wo bia kagetia ana wotie yan ana wukotodwe na yawo ya amenna wudi duku bia nki bia bomu dende ayire ne tan ontiment ahodo a watode afaso nso ba pem ne wukotodwe ne munwo mesra wo hyene nso na hunu se Dr. Ba ho emaw se wode wo yade ye kotodwe no ebeba amia mu aduro ede aban to so amaka tregido a arewe na akra na butu so na arewe na amaka se atwi kase no afa yede aban ebetoto so ama wanya ofa hodie ama yade bia afiri kotodwe mu etine se wutie me na se yade wo nipadua mu no yade wo body no mu no eye kotodwe mu yade ukotodwe na ye wo ya aso wo sre wuntimi nante ama wo nan na chia ama ukotodwe ni su eye deda fabra de oye kotodwe ye wo fabra de onim kotodwe no hwe fabra Dr. Baho fabra ni hwe okotodwe na poma ekuta wo no yenye nto baabi na fe brana wo bɔ ne dan mu no jaibo na fe timi nante kɔhwe wadwuma ko wa afuom soma so etimi ma me papa me nua ba obi a ne kotodwe ya ne yade ɛna no pɛ de ɛka kyerɛ ne sɛ bra Dr. Baho na da bi a ye ka no nso bra na benya ho mfaso benya yaresa ne bi efiri Dr. Baho ɛna no pɛ obi de ya sasaboro emra wo ba kakra ye nsuo peti ye ontimi nsole kwabenane akadam ni nkase ni dompe mu nyina hwe no ma menya example bi nche osayen ye tie kura se no ani ye kwa afuo mo etwa aburo no obi obetwa aburo bia opese dwan na ode be ye dokono ana banku no ye bo pata ne ahye na mpanimfo nyansam ni omunim die mu no pata ne ye bo ebo ni jare bo chi ase ba bia ye soja esan di entia said ye be ye nwusie no mpupu nwusie no kwa akɔbɔ aburo no ho bai said ye be ya afibidu na wuyi aburo na ema aboa bi antimi mfa na no ka enu nti na mpanimfo eye ne saa no sɛ wokɔbɔ ne ba bia bambo bi eni wa wobɛhu so be ye aburo no na mmoa na hu na aburo ni nyina wunya ba akokra saa na nipa bebre dompe no omoka saa ye obi ne kasa ni dompe yade adokoro na ma kasa na hunu enti awoba kakra nso to kakra ebia bibi ka ne dompe kakra ne mu hwe na ye ne ya eno kye se oni bambo ewo dompe no ho enti na Dr. Baatena se oso pese wo dompe no yade ewo mu eno nti amenne sasabro no agi wo dompe no kasa aboso ama wo nipadua no kasa ni mu hwe wo no oba no ho a ye wa haban yadura ya eno na eko protect dompe no eko bo kasa ni dompe no ho ban ete se je nipadua no wo senka wunya vitamin D ne calcium no eno na Dr. Baede ma wo ama na kobo udompe eno wo kasa ho ban ama wo kasa no atimi anya ahoden enti na wutie me na sasabora je nipadua boso udompe no kasa emu nyina ya oya emu tutu enso to kakrai uhuna mane mame nya wunsu nti na nyankopon to nsu wadaroma enu nti na wama wakwanya se wode Dr. Baabedua Ghana ha se wo nipadua no enoma bi a ye kasa emu awi nipadua no onfa haba enyimfiro enti se ye sasaboro ana arthritis na woni nipadua ana kokoram cancer bi ana abaji kasa ni dompe aboso a ni nyina no oba Dr. Baho a ye behwe odi haban atuase ama woni nipadua no emu adwu sefom enne obi anye ntrase obi ne nanye enti na ama na chikasa no wo huna mane mesraw akonwa na wo sole ya na wakon mu ahyemu no wo se wo chikasa o mame kancha wo nesese wo behu so obi achi a na ye ne spinal cord no na yade abamu ana ho aka ama na chi a obi a wachi abia no ana ni mu akon abia no eye ne chikasa ohawa ba ho se ye mpese da bia ne dan nyina na wo de wo ne na hospital na wo bre enu nti Dr. Betu fu se akonwa na watena mu a wadamu no o se wachi kase ufra dwuma ba no ama wo ma wuriwura tia wachi ene wo yire no o se wachi kase efisa wo spinal cord no e wo nkura beta bebre enso so ye nketenkete do so bebre ene wo nipadua nim ba bia wo ba bia efa na ba bi ho ka emanipadua no so ho ka enti na se waye mfomso ama ohaw ne amane aba wachi kase nim ebia wo ntimi na wo da mpaso a na wo nipadua besole ne tutu na ye wo ya asem a wo ka ne se ukromfo na ababo mesra wo ye nyina firi kro bi mu na ba ha enso ye sole ye ho oden hweso na hwe oyade na sa na ja se ana ye kromu aba ifo de na bo mo ababom da bi kasa na yade abam enu nti na wo beda nya ne bia no na wo nipadua no na mu tutu enu nti Dr. Baase bra ni ehwe no wachi kasa wachi bremu nipadua na wutwa akwa ntwa ne nyina no ye mo no ne mfa haban ensa sa yade no emma na honto enne stroke yade tete nkrofo bebre enne obi onante na se ne mpabo akra frito a wo hu na chese ne nani tiafo nkra se fom bi obi de da bia na nse cheche ne nsa ne nan obi ne nsem se twino saa misrawo hu sa anhye nsudie we nyina bi na dia di wo nipadua no mu a to anamo bra Dr. Baho enya sa na wie ye ni nyina betimi di stroke yade abatu nipadua no so fi se yade bi ebebe nipadua bia no edi nka bo nka ye ansa na aba menwene se obi na ato adu ana wato sa yade na ma wo ehyase nketenkete na watu ho na mo wo de makoto aduro wei masi no ho kwan ana abobo ano na aye kese na de wabeto enti ade bi eda adi wo nipadua no no fabla Dr. Baho fi se obi o diabetes ade sugar no ha na so wantu na mo ama Dr. Baho ama magia bibidura bo se wo sugar no betimi amene wo stroke beba betimi asai wo nkase afa obi wa ne pressure kosoro on chekeda da bia na ni ti dwa ne saa on ka no akoto painkiller no anom na di ti dwa no check pressure no ne ehu ba bi e da se de be ya emfa stroke yade emre wo enti na no pai ye de kasa ni nyina abayeye de ye ka ne se ya haban mu aduro ana apesa wo de se nipadua no yade a ba bi a wo betimi di wani a kire ye Dr. Ba enti fa Dr. Ba number no na fo ani kire ho na fe ye hwe yade ni nyina ni ntu ase ma na fe wo nipadua no haw ne amane ye yade ni nyina no emfiri wonko na wo honto ye number no eye 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 and ye was 0244 08 34 82 0244 08 34 82 Dr. Bawo Kumasi Atonsu Ago Aban Hospital no nachi ana nkranso ye was Spinters 18 junction and na no pay me no akase Dr. Bawo Atonsu Ago watena se ohwe yade fa yade nyina ko Dr. Bawo ni mfi ahaba na ye wono nsa yade ni nyina ma na wuwi a de nipa bebrede ni je free Dr. Bawo no eye ba Oma nyankopo ensham
nyame nshira won so ena no pay me hwe ni mo se honorable Fuseni Donko former DC from Plains Babe Kayensa lawyer George Opom former presiding member Kwabri East a lawyer by profession Enso Babe Kamensa we look at Yabungura's banning Abu Jinapo Mahama pleading for NABCO beneficiaries. Sam George applauding Anado on Agenda 111. And also so Ayan Sama Yabeshe. Sam George is who say the first lady, send your first lady. Esi Asha Anado no Anado why for party or call retirement metna a one more empeswaso honor bibia and kosukama. Mama me picture be a write up be a trendy pa. See how him American election no any Ghana de nsunsun nantem Biden as the narrative or training who see no a sitting vice president is contesting a former president sana Ghana so etie we ba cho fatu so mame oh azuka oh and you watch him one a certain vice in the person of Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia on the former president John Dramani Mahama na contesting Oka America says here Kamala Harris a certain vice on the former president Donald Trump and a contesting na picture ba kubi so azuka wa oh Ransford Assemble Krani Fuseni Akwaba Munyina mungala out over.
Why me Joseph?
That's what I send them a high be there. Me hunu high be ah. Mo munyina mo ye shoe na motito. We are mo hujuma bedi.
Ye nyina ye tie sompa.
Aba ye nyina ye tie sompa apa. Fuseni na tsan.
Nyamina dum.
You be a koso.
Oh yes, Adumbo.
In charge of special duties. Now special duties here, so we are no quiet kwao.
Oh, na say special duties and operations there and
yes, that new come about. Oh God, on special duties cry. And this the action was say was something whatever. There be before rent one of special duties.
Oh,
contender.
And the when I'm going to catch na buza ongo kama kwame nkroma no.
Ebia. And you boy you shaking your mouth. Abi to carry the car force them to play nonsense. Anyway, that's it. I just want to have a look at that thing on the aha. You see a US Ghana. Vice presidents against former presidents.
Sompa
Kamala Harris, you see, I don't know, Ghana, Yembramina, local parliament, like I say, flag bearer.
Oh, has she been confirmed?
Oh, yes, she would.
Oh, okay.
Anna, Donald Trump, your former president. Ghana has so Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, vice president, sitting on the former president, and then corporate. Dynamics, no, you say. And Pembebre from 1992, NDC winning, now Democrats are winning. MPP winning, now Republicans are winning. And to 2016, NSSI. Democrats winning. Now was said car. NDC winning. Amasa and a Kufuado Twaso. A Kufuado Kutu, your mama. It's now a Republican. I started by Republican and MPP. But 2020, as a sign. Now was a Trump Twaso. And so Amasa. John Dramani Mahama Sulusi. And the Republican and then NDC Elusui. Wait, Ebesa Sasa NDC ba. I'm a Republican on in Kofi Naba. Ana MPP. Any Democrats no sa twaswa. Enya adia no because uchu mutai elections no any omo de no efa. Nigeria so ma break 8. And Ghana so break 8. Can they break the 8? Yes, I'm just here. Oh, my parents, your mama did not to Naku beneficiaries. We say, buy a day. It's a mranty or mobile. For how long will you continue not to pay them? Or so a bar and cry and sassy and people for tongue a dozen. Now, no to Numbi. And you know, can I use so bad? I say, my father, the thing you do, you know well. But I'm going to take a crap. Oh, my goodness. Fuzeni, you didn't come on now. I'm ranting with your name. Medio Machia. I'm saying, oh, my mama to blow, sir.
Okay, can I use so bad?
Every day is over. The mama say, Nana do the thing you do well, you know well, you cry. Every day Ghana people suffer.
Can I use so bad? No, to you say ne papa and no.
I say ne papa mo.
Aha, na be a common point.
Everything you do, you know well. Today na suffer. And I your mama, you see how I am the remix.
Or the Nanado. Say Nanado is the father of the nation.
You do, you know well. Every day now, suffer.
That's all he can say.
Can say. So what's what
the other Ghana for and suffer. Can't tell Ghana for.
I can't say. 24 hour economy, the 10 billion push.
Nini, near the baby.
Also, near you, Nana.
I say, dear, come on, how is the campaign going?
Oh, by God's grace, as you can see, so far so good. I would say, on the NDC side, my member constituency executives Nabaso.
Sompa FM. There's a more underground work, pal.
Oh, yeah, for sure. There will be a major upset in Ashanti region.
Ashanti region?
Oh, yes. Major earthquake in Ashanti region.
Somewhere, Moka, ya near you. Moka, 1 million votes. And who did that? And no practical of 410.
You know how I do my things. So when
there will be a major shake-up.
There will be a major shake-up in Ashanti region.
You are expecting how many percentage?
Oh, for me, only said
Mutagasi Omenya 32%.
Oh, that is yes. He has privileged information.
32%.
That is what Onokra predicted, but I know so will be more than that 32%.
Hey,
yes.
Asa, 2020 Muma 35% too. It will be 28 too.
Oh, na me will say. At least
Ashanti region.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
32%.
I'm telling you, sir.
Munya Bidao.
32 crown. Honorable Muntaka is
being economical.
Very, 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 very economical and not being, excuse me to say.
He's choosing his words well.
Very, very.
So you are targeting how much? 35.
Oh, the Makacho say you better 32%.
Hey! I said the MPP Munko Day. Over 30%, 28% to cry, not 30%. George, I don't want to.
Omanhene unim.
We are from Sekasa.
Me na my friend.
Na le kasa bi.
Me na my friend with you. George Munko do.
Omanhene, yes say akobi one na se kwafu. O se ase unim. Me free bia kese epupu ya se a me ko nyina na se. Na ma ba na ma besi wawa na se. Me free ho no ma na da
organic.
O kan ni nyina wie na yeso wa dobe 4 acres.
E di wo de wa no don gre a.
O kasa bia ngo.
Bi ngo.
Na omo so omo record. Ti mo mu nu omo ho no omo nsere sa. NPP for the agidie ni say election ya yekoi enye bete enye mofra agro. Enti we are putting every effort in it. Na the best omo ni say yenwie election we adwumade edi hiem kasa ye mampani a oba Dr. Mahmoud Ba omi kasa enchirichirimu ode ma anidaso ode ma Ghana for ene se de amanfo tenase no se results ne ba ne se omu luzu a mo nka nkyere omu nkrofo so muntingu abonten so emedede na mo nko court nso abra omu ni adanse but there you can't throw one. Now the mom no no nsere. On benya 60% yate, 40 yate. But agrone firm.
Yes.
Eduma de wona no mi fi ase. Unim se de me ma de. Sabe. Yede dan nyame. Yenti ahunjo yeti de nyame.
There are issues on Abuja Post ban and then
say the fact of the matter is that omunim so omukofie.
The MPP knows they are going home.
They should go home in peace. Else they'll go in pieces. And they are simple and short. Mukofi no makofi din. And they go home in peace. But some people you go home in peace.
The polls is in your favor. By a who that say polls has been in a favor. Yet 2008 the polls were in favor of NPP. They lost.
NDC is not relying on polls. And I think a post anka omokra national security ni omu BNI for post no kra na kayede because omu akra ye wie kra no muliki mai omu national
security ni BNI for amamo
omu ye omu
National Investigation Bureau amama post say
omu nim so
lose
na pokra sa mbase kra do masa ba form kra
rale dia po ayede.
Oh yes, let me give you one gist. It has further created bigger division in the MPP now than before.
Na po no omu fa no.
Yes, I'm telling you.
Hey,
John Mahama will win more votes in even Jubilee House than Napo. Mark my words. Nka Jubilee House a polling station. Na ke to about Jubilee House. Ka John Mahama benye biache Napo. Oh Jubilee House.
Benye biache Baumia.
Benye biache Baumia because of Napo in the Jubilee House. I'm telling you for a fact. Hey. So the I say odo anu don nwira ebi wo.
Yeah, Napco beneficiary. He say am no mu spray.
Yes spray. Kumura no
I mean you.
Omanhene, sincerely speaking, Mejidi say I'm not surprised say 90% of Ghanaians are saying say this country is headed in the wrong direction. 90% of Ghanaians. And the most frightening part, the man is saying, "Hukra, sabi mi yem shishimi." As a young politician, he say, "Offer between 2011 and 2013, omo ye survey no, they saw say, nipa dudu se na G democracy a ye womi se CID no, 76% ka so oh, ye Ghana democracy, they believe in democracy now." 51%. So even the belief in democracy now is going down. And now say besides, so would you prefer say soldier buying embra and I say
democracy?
Yes. 86% during 2011 to 2016 were saying so Debbie democracy na ye ene eso atiaba I think about 71%.
Yeah.
Omanhene, which tells you say enya se bi mpanimfo ne yankokrafo ne mu na hu bibi pen no ene kasa wo
Emabunu.
2 million idle youth are in the house. They are in the streets. Yes sir. Yes say omu pe adwuma na omu nya adwuma nya o. Omu a adwuma no omu nya ebi. Omu ankasa nsa no kura adwuma se ye train omu keke kura ye ebi ni ho. Na wo bae na wo se o me fa graduates a wie school no me fa bi. Na omu nya adwuma no busumi bia ma omu bibi kakra se de be ya omu benya because wo kopa adwuma yes experience. Nti no me fa omu let us say busumi bia no say ye fa nipa kra na we mu ne dia omu shemu de that
Which is a laudable idea.
that is it. Oba kai kra mini na to shinya ho ntokwa gidi akaja okotam ye common fund dia ko ti omu ka ebe da ne mini ne ntokwa ene ja otwe ne nsa free ho. Wa famranti how many months now? Over 11 months if I'm not mistaken. Program na say to aso say yen to aso enim wo so ankola over best 90,000 I said could go Independence Square crofo mamenom crofo yirenom crofo mpranom crofo office ni omumba nom e ma omu ko hyentade ko mache wo ho wo de je fans wie ko win 2020 na o say ya achieve aim. So it was all about sloganeering. And Omanhene, the most dangerous weapon in any developing nation is a dissolution. It's one of the most dangerous weapons, sir. Anybody at all can lay their hands on. Because they see Kenya, no. Obibeka said there was no leader, so. Also, Raila Odinga Krasi say he is also now calling for peace.
Gen Z. The Generation Z for no. Generation Z.
Spontaneously. Omanhene, have you thought about this 2 million youth roaming about our streets? Onwa yen training no. Onwa oni adwuma. Nti osore anopa o ye den didi. Look at how ye mama no any your sisters no struggle even around some your friends around about. Ninyina is because of some of these boys and girls because wa anye bibi ampa bibi ankofi a obekono na ne silver currency horo kra ni hobi. So what is a day modern kuna sebi omaye adwuma wi a wagu program no e ka odi omo no fama omo o se da me de boka kutu amana wo cathedral se misi cathedral amanyame.
Enya sure say sika no so de koye.
Na de no de koye. The money for the cathedral came from the consolidated fund. NABCO na consolidated fund money free. It is said we nyame sompa say come di nipa any say wo tutu amana wo form say me kusi da amanyame say be de yin kanyansa wo. So for me and ya kra na me say hu another he say 5 days ansa na ye promote Kenufori Atakoye international finance minister no. Na or to ambulance on a sign ambulance deal say you have $34 million in kokra ambulance pass nemra abrani akachen se masa yene fi woni promote aba no. So like niema aban we spend sika wo ho no odwene ho wonti ase they spend money on some of the things are so unnecessary say you it me tem sika Edia mo obi say sebe be ye drawing keka ye di ko si nyame asori da drawing keka o.
Why do you make it look like drawing keke? Architectural design of international repute.
Omanhene, you spend it saying wo Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa, how much was it? $2.5 million
for design.
For the design. Architects just anoje.
No, but this architect, what's his name?
David Ajayi.
Ajayi came to explain to us that 12 million did not involve just the design. Structural one phobinum near were all
I'm not supervising at the channel. At the channel.
What I mean is the structural engineers, quantity surveyor. It was an amalgamation of a group of professionals. Any man of 12 million. No. It's in your design or
of work when the progress of work in inspections account. At the chain there and I'm an adult. This kind of geology or
I joined the Christian.
Now on your special
but your man can say do so I can't
they make can say when it comes to taking care of the ordinary Ghanaian. Yes, Nanado were failing. But as a failure, you are damning punishments. Because you used these guys for your votes. Not almost said that to me targeting first time voters by 100,000. In a sense,
so it was to you, it was indirectly vote buying.
It was vote buying to himself. I told him votes he doesn't need you for anything again.
If he doesn't need you, Baumia will need them.
He doesn't
and the office is so and Napco free buy.
No, make sure say the two of them don't think about the future apart from the votes in their pockets. Baumia and Nanado, Omon Ghana for whom votes are umbenya, any the umbako mubutum no mobile whom. It's not Napco for all the company votes. Onya votes in your omoye debut.
I said, Baumia co elections in think also Tiomoka. A vote I also Onya.
Senator say then time it was needed for a particular reason or maybe it's a reason. So say printing of money any Simon Conning as for say class captain a senior governor IMF or the bank or Jadis in Timin print is come on mobile. And now IMF finance minister so the finance ministry. And after 2020 no mo ko IMF buy no can no furata be sign bibia just or the class captain no. So they couldn't spend out of the budget like they were doing again. Jom form by yenuano otiwano fun so kwen adan ya bre osika. Ti check COVID the sika te said ye check of it. They can't do that now again. Inti ayeden. But for me, I can say it is sheer wickedness for not paying these NAPCO beneficiaries. Seriously, because I don't see why we find money for a lot of things. We find money for a lot of things. This is another Ankaso Padiano. This is about me Ankaso Padiano. They will find money for it. So why is it so difficult paying these brothers and sisters of ours? And it's not as if say, yo mo papa biu. Ejuma my yeah.
They've worked for it.
Yes, and we owe them. So why are we not paying? Judgment debt including to me no we say any judgment debt nibia so for me Omanhene, it is sheer insensitivity on the part of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the driver Nanado neglecting these NAPCO beneficiaries. And I believe say aside that Yera Jomama can be in 2020. And I thought, say, Abawe, yes, when it comes to copying NDC policies, they are very good at it. Let me say, at least we come back copy cry and try to implement. And can this 2 million time bomb by Yekan Wansemi? Okay, the free apprenticeship program. These 2 million guys could have easily been assimilated into that program. Every district, all the idle youth, push them. When you plumbing, a bit you masonry, the Omombe tailor, Omombe welder, Omombe fitting, Omombe.
Access our projects.
Oh,
I know the government is into that paying even Omo Moko. I remember there was a
apprenticeship program.
Yes,
it's going on now.
Until you start on.
You start now with the Chesikadino.
Oh, when they say
you start now.
I don't know what say. Yeah, can't also I will tell you. You are saying
let me wrap up.
They created a program called You Starter. Uye wo sign Juma da bra near Mao capital na expanded for nipa. What I say? That was the model for the You Start. Until obi your budget say bia 20,000 I'm here to expand my shop. Me de beye niam say no metimi afa nipa ni bia ka ho. Okwa na am 2,000.
Sompa FM.
Wa approve a ye de kwa kire World Bank so fuseni the 20,000 budget na ba ye enti ya approve say or qualify say man say particular loan no. Eno kra ye loan no. Okwa yamao 2000 18,000 no akodi kwabrani bi botom. And that is what they are doing to and most of them are MPP beneficiaries. So open the line and Omanhene. Somebody took a car from Sunyani all the way to Accra. Okoya man 1,003.
Some finally.
Honestly, Honubisano.
You are home, mamma, and I'm in College. Lawyer, come in.
Oh, I know that's it. Nah, I'm not paying what I don't know. I'm in for a few cases, so now. Master Kono for you, man, happy birthday.
Banwa.
Na me man akwaba. Ofra man niaba antisisi.
Boggers are in town.
Aye. Na hosted
antisi akwaba.
Ishege. Aye.
Hey.
Ofri Germany.
Okay, so anope.
Anope me sure.
Ishege.
Cologne. Na anika sem ne se one abusuani nyina na aba.
Hey, any squad.
One man ne nana nom ni nua.
Wow.
For nom enyina. And about Obidina Oda.
And then I would
and I would never cost Memenda.
Okay.
Yeah, man, happy birthday in advance.
No invitation, Anna.
Me sure. Me sure because now she is a very good woman. And I am me who has a minimum. She has been very impactful to the family. On then where Timia Boa, Nabusian, and now for no for one abandoning in Anti. Yamin from Fear be bring can feel. Now own Timmy, more Afro be brave. Omanhene ma ye didn't come more anope. And this for Casa. And now Tio Mudi say, na New Year 2017 ya no coffee. They speak as if so many akunyada e Ghana. Na omuni track record. Na said ye e wo mo adwene mu say ye wo short memory nti da bia mo be kasa no mafa mo adi no da bia anso ye so ye be kai mo ko ye mu bi wo ho no ma se wo short memory kura e be twera to ho ti ye kofa ye be kai enche bia na mo ko fio na mo kasa te se mo na mo dwene Ghana fo ho chen wo bia sa cooked analysis ya mo ye na we 96% say why say ya no mo ko se vre
Afro barometer.
Ghana for no ya na mo adwene mo say ye nti Ghana ha bia na Ghana ha de nyina yete yo nti sa enema na ara wo kan ne na Ghana for na youth. Yes, Ghanaian youth under your watch. Edian na wo ye ma wo mo a na na do ba ye MPP aban ba ye ya be ye firi ho a amo my disadvantaged. Yemhwe eno kane say it's abre me ho me the way by wo by wa begu no eno nti ama nipa ni nyina ye disadvantaged. E ya ban bi na aba no ohunu say the AC corner unemployment e ko nanim no national security threat in the said ye no yen try say ye be mo wo mu bibi temporarily
to calm them.
Na yemfa at least ye see bibi she wonu ma na to bi abi na obi mfa sustain obi wo ho a na ko no ko she mu no na mu nya ba bi akwose na ko no ko she mu no wanya
experience almost about 50,000 people after NAPCO.
At least half a loaf is better than none. Tisafo no sakoba say aban anyway adwuma de wo kan nyina ya areas. What it means is that ye tua omo kadi bia ni bia kam enti eno nye nchen nkobe o anya bi kurada wo breso a yufufu yi a wo kan mo asem enne ese o na apa o mo asem enwa no Rashi people mo trade minister say o mo nkotwitwa sere ukotwa sere na da begu kan ho aboti twam o ba beto wo benya ska didi mo policy alternative no o mo nkosesa abo engu basket mu megu kan ho ka bi twam a na ohia abo akosi dan a na abeto abo afiri ho eno any policy alternative ti na obetna TV so because opposition opeso oba abem na entino on kasama Ghana fo ohunu se wo na ommumu do ho mo abra tumi ni hye wonsa no ede na ayema ho eno ne yepati enne Dr. Mahmoud Baumia kan kire Ghana fo se mama makonya na mitimi ba I'm going to train 1 million youth in IT and India is what it is because of technology. O policy alternative ne se obe mo nkuko bo nketenkete am mo nkuko nketenkete ne confirm nketenkete no ma ye hom woni so ade hunu no ti na obetena radio so na wo kan asem na wo kan it said there asif say esa wo mada kaye yefo ye nua ma no mema ya mu firi up north ba ebedi kaya ye ni ade wo tena ba mu mfie nwotwe ukromfo no wo ye den na ma wo mo mfie nwotwe ni mu nyina no wo che silver pan enema wo na de ye politics enne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia si ultra modern facility amom so munya at least decent place to lay their head anya hwe no you are human being they are recognized as such omunya ba bi decent no mo na onya ba bi so da at least ya sa kire ni nsanodwuma ama watime nya nsanodwuma no watime live decent life. This is government that believe and thinks of its youth enya mo ano keke mo ano fafa na amode fa Ghana for ho. You should demonstrate it by your deed. And he said, "You come on, Samuel. See, you refia. Omo you refi ni na ebe ka aka omo. Time na youth na ani abere omo pa adwuma ye no. O president and na wo bo na wo bo ento ama na say omra be di president no. O ka kire so onye magician. Wonya adwuma ma omo. He again said, say, "Oh, I cannot put money in your pocket." And then the na asesa. Na Nadu Danko Akufo-Addo buy kura was there be area say the quality of people is the quality of a nation is the quality of his people. And he said yet no ma menhwe na nipa ni bi wo ho no ma sikasem nti school kro mu ntimi nko sa youth we a ye dwene wo mo no mo sponsor a writ e was Supreme Court to halt it. Some pene e ma free SHS nko so mo ye adverts, thousands of adverts and am the bastardizing free SHS. His Excellency James essay onu okuta 2 billion Ghana cedis ya on fine say free SHS. Na ya na esre say ene de you people are claiming say free SHS no kra no mumpu na mo de buy. Na oba untwam. Obi a waka kire say okuta 2 billion na on fine say free SHS. Ene free SHS bill every 3 billion. What makes you believe say no dey obey? Abaya wo dwene omanfo ho ene abaya wo susu say omanfo obre enti ma menhwa kwan so na memwa wo mo na saafo no wo mu nyina nya kwan na obi antimi nsua de abaya wo dwene youth no ho no ene at least anya hwe wo JSS a said ye tie bia wo ni da so obekumi akọ senior high school because the impediment and now was a mentimi ntuam school fees ni ade no ni nyina eni hobio unya akwanya na ese nka abo youth no na mo de telegon to cars che guess na mo telegon to cars e na mo chema guess e wokurum ha we know your track record ye be bon so a kire mo enti say na mo se mo be ko na mo nkan kire Ghana fo de mu betimi aye e de abo Ghana fo a mo be Ghana fo ani da so say anya hwe ye to aba e de mamo a say na mo be ye mo empty policies are mo kai nyina you yourself are mo proposal mo policies no kra you couldn't even explain it let alone to implement it mo ko community am so be 24-hour economy na mo de nam wo achi na ho ahwan ne ebe so wo da na adwo na de nda afi kra de adutwam be ye mwa be ye jata na adwo na be ye jata ro na misramo ayi drobon so de mo kwaye ho ya mo fa nko ho ba kwa abirisi ni kwaye bia ho amfa bi ma ho mo sono ne mo jata na mo be ye no mo mfa bi nsi ho. You see, under your watch as district chief executive ka kire Ghana for ne ma wo ye no drobon so a eboa e ma drobon so youth enne wo mo anida so a wo koyi won be few ka kire wo mo
ende ka yempon
enanu ya hospital yakwako bia no de ama honkrofo now ho you see so aban we say no the air can say napkofo is very unfortunate say omusika ne bia kamu a aban ntu omuka aban nya ho hyehye ekwan bi e befa so bia ma omunsaka omu apa die sika eno de nobody can take it away from them. It's very very unfortunate eno de yenkan ensi so say enye papa say emrante na ya adwuma beduru sa abri nenne yenya sika emfentu ya omuka ana omusika no ebia kamu abanye hyehye no mfo omusika ma omu na wo mo so omukosua ade wo napko numu no ema na nya adesua keke because baby akosua ade no when training there are people who have been able to train omuko no omanya skill training ni ade sa unya baby nhempo apply that wisdom apply that trade sa training no na wanso betimi de aye bibi self employed betimi aye bibi for yourself entrepreneurship ni ade ni amaka kakra bi ho a ubetimi aye e de aboa ho a then you do so whilst waiting for a better opportunity. Abrabo no obi a sha ase a no nya no fofofo ebenya ne dende ayi ade akọ. Ye obi wo ha ne tie ye, there are people who are fortunate. Enu nti na loto kura obi twa no wadi, obi wo ho nso awoni. Obi twa bet ya no wadi, obi wo awoni. Sa na abrabo te. There are some people who will have fortune. No, ye woni pa bi wo anu nti na ye woni pa bi wo ho no a Omanhene na awo no. Wo ye den ya sa nipa no, obekọ private school, obekọ university. Or be brempon. You will nipa bi won so a ne ti anye yie nipa wo no no he cannot afford what Omanhene can afford. You will nipa bi won so a bi gate na wo no eda na ye wo no na no we sikani sa na tie wa brabom ensa tie nyina anye pe obi wo ho obenya ndenden akire obi break through obi wo ho obenya na mremremre ne ti anye yie kura akire no na ko ye basa.
Okay,
enti whatever it is ye nyina enya ne pe said ye makoni nyina mpetu mre ye nyina ye nya ne pe said ye tie bia no ebi de beba achen bi enu nti na nunsia wo ebo mpire no ye di kan ne bo na de toso mienu abo enti yufa onya ba bi nche nda ni da so ne se Yeru Mahmoud Baomia eba one napo ebe kabo na youth no mo de mo ati asem de 1 million youth in ICT when you are training and now no that is the order of the day. That is the order of the day. Digitization and digitalization, no? And only the order of the day. It is the youth, no? Omo epe se omo nya bibi eye.
That channel.
Mo ndi da so ene Yewura Mahmoud Baomia. Say the youth in Agric is also in the making. Eba they will be mentored with people omo edikan establishing in those fields. Mubenya asase mubenya facility ambetimi dia emu adwuma and you will be mentored by obi already established. That is also in the making. Timu amope mo aniji nku adwuma ho ene sa anodwuma no mo soso mo de ewum bi. Enti anidaso ho a anidaso ho ema Yewura Mahmoud Baomia so obeba. A chance anidaso a mo hwehwe ewo nipa waba try, tested and failed and rejected by Ghanaians. Overwhelming Ghanaians, not once, not twice, on occasion, that he has been rejected, that Wajuma Obeye, and so any. So going into 2024 election, it is the election between two personalities. One has been tried, tested, and failed. And one has tried as vice president, tested, and passed as vice president, who is going to be promoted as president by the people of Ghana. And ni mienu ya de beto to ho side by side ye ni mo bia track record at least Yewura Mahmoud Baomia betimi de nsa si ne bo aka kire say under my watch as vice president the Yewura de share me nsa ni I've been able to do A B C D up to this ono nso nka the policies are obedi vice president at least one thing that will be associated with him apart from corruption, apart from bribery, apart from scandals. And Brian 190, we are still aware of what happened.
Arrest him.
Look at this. Look at this.
Arrest him.
So we know all this. Never boss our record knows watch them. Yenim their course will be at least yenim can has way. Yenim all that happened. Yenim or my padia under your watch at the tail end that who is it kurano or the che everybody until you are no alternative to the plight of the people in this country. You are no alternative. Because why you be that I'm any monsani or Juma was Sudia I de Besusu. And the nay Sao Casa catch the Ghana for the Oba obey Nenny da so musa maybe A B C D so that we can at least hold you to that.
Okay.
I didn't know what me apart from MPP for me a comedy a this a that. Who does
okay. One enim say MPP for I want to kakra ho we ho. Sa no mo kano say I want to kakra ho na nso e be ya bibia. Bayport savings and loans. I fixed deposit na fabre yen. Ye can Ghana deposit protection scheme home. A two-bar Bayporter, you are guaranteed maximum returns on every CD. 91 days investment, 182 or 365 throughout the year investment package in our year. What the Bayport, bra, nani juma. You can be rest assured your money is safe. Daniel is on 0244 598 400. Dorcas 0558 11 9281. Michael 0242 288 915. And Collins 0244 170 601. Bayport, your future now. Kenjan and Magic drinking water. And Sukrojin, I will be so refreshing. And mouth to muse, one musio, calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron. It keeps you healthy. And mouth to me hydrating, susio jnaumu, and mouth wrinkles, ono musio na, diabetes, pressure, normally are they regulators, kama. Yawa Brahma, UGC Tafo. New Road, Anabawa Road to Junction. Fred 0241 449191. 0241 449191. Dawood Herbal Clinic. Yeah, the 360 capsules ni Dawood ointment abejaso. Ahuntu tio sasabro any pains ahudwe wo ni pedua mu nyina no ebetu akọ. Brian Hospital diabetes, pressure, stroke any emreye wo mpem ne ho ne nyina no ye beboa. Sehwe asanwene so ne wo kumase so adwoso krapa. 0244 886437 0244 886437. Amy Scientific, a holistic alternative medicine. And I had a bow now, what or CPS say a stroke. A year award home, a year chronic diseases are hold to 20 different certified medication. And a Ghana Standard Authority, Food and Drugs Authority, Ajatuma, Yade Sawya, dear. And Fidea, dear nature said we are one of a kind. Your state of the art MRA machine, TMU, MRI, by your MRA, the highest form. Yadu Remoa. Utisu bepe wona se yade bia be kire ya sa diagnose ama waduro we wompe we ya unya ne ba bia se Amen Scientific Hospital atwema tachima kwada so kwan so kumase ya for 0277001234 0277001234 abe ye water no so apatrapa new site apatrapa junction womre wompem obema no fa na phone fibroid ama wofu ayekapu stomach ulcer echo echere anasa sickle cell na sickle cell ni timi maame abe obapa heti nyame ahyeda ma ni nimde ni hunumu ode na otwe me ensame ma abofra na duro ebe yi afri nipaduam na wa be di adanse eno nti ye boda wura yensuro esanse wasa yade ni bebre ka ho fa oba no a ensuo betotoi ensuo to na akora ye tisi ye de bandage na kekere no emfiri ho no mo na da bia se onyini wo to ape bi ni ate fre 0243 345392 0243 345392 afi obo heba and medical research center yay se palpitation obo e nante kakra peri wakoma na wo don saka se ye wo ya afi wa jonku ne wo kon ne wa beti eye wo ya e ho na won site titi o pressure kwa na ekosoro e bo so awuti etimi dwa wo saa wa wo nya adwuma bia so wa bre and when it's subri wo eye obo herbal and medical center ye wo Odin herbal bitters ebeboa with space sexual disorders afi ye wo precare powder and also so say palpitation and numbness ni ade no wo de brande agye hwehwemu won kran kaso official town afi su Kumasi Adwa to Adumanu and Nkranza ye headquarters ade shman wo si adwira kwan so no ye wo honomo for 0249 761-508 0249-761-508 and 0550-191514 0550-191514 na bibia ekoso kama Boris B chicken papa we be na obi agiatum wo ye nkwan wo ye bomu peso ye chicken stew peso ye grilled chicken and ye wo ye party o pese ye boa na bibia ekoso kama Boris B Fabra ye be grill chicken na ma wa wo ye nkwan ma okunu no misrew enkoya bia ye wo layers na wo broiler halal tikrabo ni bia we bia ye full chicken 1.6 to 1.2 Thai wings, breast, gizzard layer. Chese wo dia ni BBC Bantama High Street. Yani press within US Chanimu Asawase Market, Santasi Roundabout, Unity Oil Chanimu, Poku Trading Adum, SG Mall, Top High, Shell Body Junction, 05444 44453. Now you qua no 3 Herbal Center, the Cocoa Master. Yeah, the 3 Cocoa capsules aba. Ebe 2 Cocoa no ho. Waste space. every ho pass no ahye constipation asa amanfo de cocoa tea obo a usia na abekọ otewa no achia no to say cocoa edi ni ya no pede ya mi ni aba wasim bra mi cocoa na ba Colinac Danny Misty Apidank eno ano no 0546107107 na ye koye nima enesa afa Yaw toothpaste ane unya total care toothpaste unya whitening toothpaste now unya herbal toothpaste uko supermarket bia also pay Yawza eno an will be adi chinese yeah the brushes no prince princess monarch duke duchess and kiddy ya cut inside say the bowra will sinum yin kanka plaques no nyina free ho but more than say ubenya bi go to the supermarket and 21st clinic ya drew Europe ya shasia 21st na ye be wie 21st August ya the sciatica Europe tour and eba so when you book ya Mr. number ni 0244 915 116 book sesia na any adjustment come on ya drew Europe a 1 month treatment across Europe ya drew ho ya dia bibidro kan video papa bi Belgium, Germany, Romania, Italy and then incredible Schengen nation no ya ba na ya drew ho 21st and you take it off and to some rain no WhatsApp here now free WhatsApp call 0244 915 116 ubenyae mo santimanta mo Ghana hanso so ukoya so ye bia asiatica ye gusu hwe hwa overseas call junction oboase nkranza sanso so ena domi enkrai market ho bomodina na ne ye twetwe nkomo kuma Ghana had 0540311311 0540311311 amanonemo amu ho mo frɛ 0244 915 116 WhatsApp na nkomodie no enkoso kama afei Institute of Expert Travel and Tour opese unya work visa kwa brochi kwa ya adwuma business na odi tukwa akɔfa niema opese okosuku wa akɔtena ho no mo ana business partnership visa bi ne edema wo eno ani Canada, US, Australia, Schengen nation, Germany, France, Malta, Portugal na opese okoko New Zealand oko Serbia, UK akoya adwuma we a health worker ana say we will be a construction worker general labor and security ye beboa pusu ahoma no 0504 694209 0504 694204 nani entwetwe enkomo na 0539 899915 Branian for to kai time herba a 3D yadi no free onko HH herba mixture and capsules e man komo ane honya day malaria day e time 0244 417 669 enkomo aho ba ye day na immune system na gina ye dia e time HH mixture and capsules bomodin enya bi 0244 417 669 ye koye nim afa dimpa natural health also no entu na tua no bomodin bra na second floor wala star with the chem so oh Dr. Dijuma say gastric deodona get as a reflux na H pylori moano ye be boa wa mafri ho obo on ma wutidwa wo sa wani su brew wo da wo na health burns wa chiri tutu na eye wo se obi kra na ato waduro da bi eye ulcer 0246 744 744 0246 744 744 and 0245 1184 34 bra ewo de chem so be hia kwa no so dimpa stomach ulcer last stop wana oma woda eni no memo boss na memra for saying in chambio special happy birthday Tony Sack and the diaba yeah the property products abedwa so TVs, fridges, freezers, air conditioners, washing machines, gas cookers, microwaves, rice cookers, blenders, kettles, home theater and electric irons. As the karam kwantimpo monoma what's the matter this usania triangle no need anymore Samsung cocoa board runabout to sunyane oye baby a fabas na need anymore spring test so your depo kasiye for 0500309309 0500309309 woman the soya sinemi the birthday siba Thomas Omanhene Boakye and eyawawoda from former MPP UK branch youth secretary and MPP UK communication team member Thomas Omanhene Boakye wo UK at the part of Turkey Mr. Brown so Maltrinkwa at the power of Turkey ya Maltrinkwa Catherine Sewa Usu of Gilgal Baptist Church USA Arizona Catherine Good morning. Happy birthday from your daughter Foster Lee. Mary Chebafo of Akrofoso SDA. From Linda Pia of Central SDA Aguna. Kwabna Usuanchi of Canada. Ekwia Jema Opambo of Aguna so Motrinkwa. Mrs. Rejoice J from your friend Pukuya of Sompa or Motrinkwa. Dulcie Ekwia of Usuhine of California, USA. From your mom and dad and your aunties. Nana Poku or Amstead from Florence. Happy birthday to you, Nana Poku. Patricia Usu, Ama Diamond, Michael Buamponso, Mautinkwa, Na Sakifio, or DVLA, and Honawe Juma, Grandma the other day. Insurance company. Yes, and Prudential. Happy birthday, Dance Kifio, DVLA. Okay, Janet Oyenewa Boakye of Canada, from your brother John Dazi and family, Ukrunanaya Boakye, and Akumaya Boa, God's Grace International School, from your family, Brian Luxury Ousu and San, Omame Matilda Santasia Pio Mautinkwa Fida, Margaret and Nima Boama. Dr. Adams and Daniel Boama Emma Otinkwa, Mrs. Janet Enima Boama, Dr. Adams and Daniel Boama Otinkwa. Afe Kweku Kusiapia, Senior Technical Engineer, DVL Techiman, Kweku Kusiapia, Auntie Sisi of Germany, Cologne. Hey. That's Auntie Akwaba.
She's a very good woman.
Auntie Akwaba. You want to TV, so we are seeing I launch you. Happy Beatrice. Happy birthday to you, Beatrice. Hey, Ransford. Tanasra. They are 2 years. We are going points. Tiawa. Babi Tio, Fuzeni. I'm about 4 minutes now, so far 4 minutes here, up here.
Yeah, I think, sir, you are known to Kafuno Manas at Omanhene. Sir, okay, what done for PV Jantua? Yeah, PV. Program or running near friends say, Let's Dep.
Let's Dep, yeah.
Let's Dep was a program I employ over 40,000.
And Zuba.
Zuba was the original coordinator.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, tricycle tricycle na ye try track bisa and the kesi bina na ye sanitation program.
That's right.
Less than this animal nyina buy over 40,000 youths were given startups trained enumu na ye started see free welding machine me over me district abrantie ba kwa de Matthew we yakra de ne battle me because your man free welding machines are not the only welding free your might be sewing machines. Minia ukot drobonso ko kasefu seni udebi ko ye comparison mo wa ye babu o hey debi ho na fu se drobonso je no minya no wan. So we took care of the youth. ICT center, we built ICT center for drobonso just for the youth to get access to that ICT skills training free ne ye chere nkola na dey for free. What am I say? So let's Dep no kra eda nchen ya yes I yes they can so buy you. No, so it was the same skills development and training for even especially omo ye nnuane ne omo startup capital omo ye trade ne ye expand omo businesses small. So a lot of things were done under the NDC. Aside that, still a youth employment so ye need you. So even the RLG local a friend say ICT laptops locally. Near your phones locally. All those things were being done. So many are unima no can yachero. I buy with you, Nimani say, Yen fam ranting kugu, Yen for Munkoji fans, Yvia Yasisa Musica Nedi. And I make sure say, Omuko catcher a World Bank say, Oma Pruvusika 200 million ma obi. I just want to mention the name. On the budget, ya approve World Bank and some approve as so Mumma branch away 200 million OCDs, not for expanding the Juma or Koya money 20 million OCDs. 180 million na can a cohen a coca brani butum. And so Baumia Jina Hosaya and Makoya, it is possible we are not Jim Kolanisika de campaign. Oh, that is what they are doing. On the call launch program, no. You start to Baumia no Kojina Hodiketiamo, Koji fans. We are not Kolanisika, 20% more, no mafa. 80%. No more they acquire campaign. That is what they are doing. So that is their record when it comes to the youth.
Our lawyers say.
So for the NDC, Minia, this free apprenticeship program aside. Let's the place animal. Do you know, sir? We started the agric mechanization project. Every district near your agric center. Repair bibia. And the Maya Kwachi, sa grant ni free Canada. Grant ni buy and any free abemuno mobeto ya. Or more than dini kwaya and planting for food and job. Planting for your pockets no. Planting for food and job or more planting for their pockets and need. Any boy day all time high. Abambia pencil. Minya. Under John Dramani Mahama or Kanasem, unemployment was 8%. 8% to Yadi Baumiako to economy nano day Nana see any question in some a free 8% about 14%. Even with your NAPCO planting for one your pockets and your party people. Nininachi, you will be a Jumanoko.
Thank you. Lawyer.
Omanhene what's a mess? You know, so no mood in common essay. Or you have to make a crabia on the boots, Suliazia. I say, there be a Omega say Ghana for short memory. By a Becca Kayon. Once a more can you know, oh my Ghana. A yet said, dear, okay. Emma, you for Juma, oh my Bibia, and this for monocre. NPP for a nocre. And I Ghana for monocre. And this are Penisi the all quaten, the all bad and name do Jina when they attend Trudeau. Said the Muye, Nina, Namosemo, Namoma, less the buy a mumma, dear mumma, dear mumma, dear Namoma, Winano. The end results, balance sheet, you know, Ghana for the verdict. You suffered the biggest defeat in 2016 under the Fourth Republic. Under the Fourth Republic. Ghana for
Hussein, let him finish.
Say
Hussein, your microphone is off.
Say oh,
Hussein, no. Manin Kasa.
Ghana for catch them say. Mojuma amusoma mu kan nyina nya no. Edi to any na mutu kro ma.
Go ahead.
Na na do ka so obey free SHS ama Ghana for. In order to say mobe bring Ghana for any so na mobe ma na sema o ka no aye sebinsem hunu nti mo ekojina 2015 say mo launch free SHS mobe ma student a day student be 38 cities. At that time mo say na oko day school na usika utu asen
400 and
na yema 38 cities have they given you free education?
The day students were paying 475
and they gave them 38 cities under their free SHS policy. You see
oh, it was 38.
It was 38 cities.
Fees were taking all free textbooks were
it's not true. 2016
but as of 2016
students
the students they were paying
465 cities.
Yes, they were paying.
Let me show you some of them.
The day students were paying, but the government absorbed
Ghana for parents now
certain fees.
It doesn't take you to do that.
Maintenance fee, all those things you were taking from them.
And I banned some more 38 in account.
No, that one was tuition fee was taken out completely.
So what was that? What was the 465 now about?
Charges from the school itself.
And that's
no, that's not true.
School na transit Emma school fees.
No student was paid 465 per year school na charges. It was government fee, but the government absorbed 38 out of the 465.
And no more better na ka say na the free SHS. But until they yate. It is come and grab it. No child pays any fees anywhere. It is not true. Tell me one school. Mention one school. Mention one school that we can go and verify.
Maintenance and utilities.
Mention one school.
Take it.
I know I buy Nigeria and I say students no. I check phone on I want
I
can show you bills so just
it's not true.
Okay,
you see
it's 9:25. My time is up. Gentlemen, have a nice day and you are the best judge. Thank you.